Hi, my name is Natasha. I'm from California, USA. I have been in Shathayu now for almost 30 plus days, and I found Shathayu very incredible. From every single staff, from housekeeping to therapists to the doctors and the front receptionists, they're all very kind and detail oriented, and they love to make sure that each guest is taken the details of what might be going on and making sure they are fine and comfortable. My treatments was initially related to a car accident when I came, and through that I had to do the Panchakarma, and thanks to Panchakarma I was able to lose about 8 kg. And I could say that Shathayu, how I found it was through Google's reviews and a search that I randomly found, because Shatayu's response and communication is extraordinary. They love to make sure that they're responding and they're attentive to you. So because of that and my experience that has been around here, and I have been able to highly recommend to my friends and my families that are now scheduling to come here and see the amazing place that Shathayu is, that is hidden under the mountain range and a lake. And I hope you guys can have that experience as well. Thank you.